Hey, it's Happy Mac, and today I wanted to do something nostalgic. We're gonna have iOS 17 release on September 15. Well, at least that's what leaks say. And iOS 7 will turn 10. And I wanted to make this almost 10-year-old iPhone, this phone turns 10 in September. So I want to make this look like it's running iOS 7. Like right now it's running iOS 10.3.3. So I wrote down tweaks list to make it look like iOS 7. Well, I could have put that on the screen with captions, but that's too lame. This is better. So the first thing we need is Anemone. And we're gonna download Anemone right now. Go to Cydia. Okay, there we go. Okay. Ignore temporarily. Anemone. There we go. Okay. Do me a favor. Come on! Like, I really don't know what's going on with this. It's spinning like crazy up top. As you can see, like, it really is. This is taking so long for some reason. Well, it's saying it's done, so I suppose we should be fine. We gotta do it again. Install Anemone. Okay, we're gonna wait till it like downloads it and we should be fine. Come on, loading. I love that screen. Yeah, boy. Do it. Do it. Yeah. Restart Springboard. Oh, baby. Okay, there you go. We should have Anemone. Yay! It's a great theming app. Like, Anemone allows you to download and install themes on your iPhone. Well, we have no alternative, Springboard, but this is older version of iOS, so the best we can get. So, check that. And we're gonna download Legacy Slide to unlock. We're gonna need to add another repo. So we gotta go to sources, edit, add Cydia dot Chemo with 3 eyes. J, there we go. Legacy. Oh, there we go. Legacy Slide to unlock. Install. Confirm. There we go. Hey, restart Springboard. That's good sign. That's good. Hey, can you see that? The slide to unlock. Check mark on that. Okay. Okay, so next thing we have is iOS 7 theme. Now, iOS 10 and iOS 7 look very similar, but we have some icons, there's some difference. I hope this doesn't need any more repos. Let's go with this. 33 megabytes, it's gonna take some time. It's still spinning like crazy, but at least it's moving. At least it was moving. Oh dear, this is going wrong. Don't do me like this. What the heck? It's still spinning like crazy. Oh, yay! Yay, there we go. There we go. Reloading data, that's a good sign. Return to Cydia. So I guess that's cool, imply. I don't see no difference. Like, even the TV icon is unchanged. This is what iOS 7 is supposed to look like. Like, yeah, we're gonna get rid of this. So we gotta do some changes here. Now we need snowboard. Okay. So we downloaded Snowboard for nothing. And iOS 17, this thing sucks. So I know a website called iSkin, they might have iOS 7 icons there, so I want to do a whole another video about iSkin, but okay, iSkin. And browse by themes. Add, I hate ads, who doesn't? There we go. I think I found the icons. Where are the icons? Application icons, okay. App Store. So we're gonna need this. Oh no. We're gonna need Apple Music, Apple News, but this is called just Music. And this is called Newsstandia. Newsstand. The camera icon is the same as far as I don't care, trust. Generate theme and allow. I'm gonna install this, install. Okay, now it's showtime. It looks the exact same as this. It's just the wallpaper is just iOS 7's default wallpaper. Here is just white wallpaper to match the box. Because yeah, same goes here, it's just black wallpaper to match the box. But I could do that too if I go to settings, go to wallpapers, and choose this one. So both. Boom. The exact same. It's the exact. So, oh man, this is way too dim. It's the exact same as you can see. Like, even with that slide to unlock. See that? And that Touch ID animation. This thing is just so good. Now it looks like that I have iPhone 5S on iOS 7. Thank you guys so much for watching, and comment what do you think about this down below, and I'll see you in the next. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Whoop-de-doo.